Hi everyone, my name is Özge Subaşı. I'm a researcher in design. I have been working in academia for more than 10 years, starting with Vienna Applied Arts University, where I studied, where I had my PhD degree. I then moved to Vienna Technical University, where I worked and specialized in interaction design. Mm. And after spending 15 years in Europe, I'm working with different cultural institutions and art institutions. I moved back to Turkey 2 years ago and started a research group called Future Well under the Media and Visual Arts Department. At Koç University, Media and Visual Arts Department, we take research very seriously, actually. We believe in the new generation of artistic researchers, designers, and the artists who can collaborate with others. So, from a skills perspective, when you study with us, you will, from early on, be introduced to what research is, how you can collaborate with diverse many disciplines, and how the interdisciplinary collaborations work. All these would help artists and designers of the future to define their stance to bigger groups and how they make meaningful things for the world together with all other people. In the context of media and visual arts, we can also tell that arts is not never stand alone. In the future, like today's crisis, we will face many other challenges, and artists will take a stance where they cannot stand alone. They will need the knowledge of others, they will need the research of others. Our department, for instance, is under the College of Humanities and Social Sciences. This is a place where you can meet a lot of superstars from topics that you are not yet informed about. And our faculty members, we currently have 17 members at Media and Visual Arts Department, are all from top universities from all around the world, and they are based in Istanbul, and they're active in following and actually contributing to global research with top institutions. So when you are in a research university, in a media and visual arts department, you will benefit from having close relationships with international community of your interest. You will not feel behind the current. For instance, you will be up to date when kind of meeting takes place somewhere else. We are very well connected, so we either replicate or nowadays you can just basically attend to remote meetings all around the world and you will be informed about this through our networks. We also have funding and support for students to attend to international meetings, to present and exhibit your work, to attend to research programs, which will all contribute to your portfolio in a more sustainable way. Our program, Media and Visual Arts, is a unique program in its combining multiple perspectives of media and visual arts. Rather than concentrating one single area, in our program, you will be facing like multiple courses from several faculty members with different disciplinary backgrounds. When I talk about interdisciplinary backgrounds, I'm talking about 17 core members who all own their research and practice streams. We offer around 20 area courses and plus 10 electives on a running basis. We do have 4 diverse tracks, let's say, and you can even get a special certificate on them. These are like media and management, design, film and video, and user experience. So you can concentrate either one of them, or from the beginning, you can just choose to concentrate on a couple of them and gain deep expertise on them, all in collaboration with each other, of course. Another very positive thing about our program is the program offers a diverse set of classes, but also it allows you to have the most possible flexibility. From the very beginning, you can start with a double major program, and then you can combine different backgrounds until you find your unique way of expressing yourself. It's a very important aspect of media and visual arts that you can find a language for yourself through our program by trying out different disciplines, perspectives, and we will be supporting you with these flexible track programs and double major opportunities and different expertise from 17 faculty members that we have. So what we mean with this interdisciplinarity is like also within the media and visual arts program, If you want to specialize in film and video, for instance, you cannot work alone. Even if you want to become a director, you will need the people who will build the environment. You will need to collaborate with people who will help you with the scenario and all other aspects of film and video. This is a lot more than that. In our program, you will have an idea about all the roles around film and video, and this will give you a kind of good background for your own goal. In design certificate, for instance, you can combine both theory classes like participation or well-being together with some technical classes where you will learn the details to how to build visual design or product design. This will give you an opportunity to look at the broader range of opportunities within the design. And also at the same time, you can visit other courses in media and management or film to combine and expand your interest from design to film or media or user experience. At Koç University, students are actually willing to pursue careers on postgraduate level. We have a doctoral program on design technology and society, and students can pursue careers in all directions of what we teach in undergrad, also in postgrad level. In postgraduate studies, you can work with one of our research labs, like we have a design lab, a social interaction and media lab, an artistic research studio, a participatory design studio, and many more. These are the studios and research labs that are directed by the faculty members, and you can start with working them even prior to starting your postgrad studies to gain an understanding on what we are doing and what is interesting to you more. We have established structures to support our graduates to apply for funding such as Fulbright scholarships or Marie Curie fellowships or other means that they can work on their special area to gain experience elsewhere. After this instance, some of our students keep a position outside, or some of them just come back and join us. There are many examples to this. When you graduate from media and visual arts, there are several opportunities to work either as a self-employed artist, where you can work together with museums and create art pieces, or as many of our graduates do, you can apply for jobs such as in entrepreneurship or communication design, as well as in museum sectors. Another area where you can start an internship is, of course, in user experience design. We have a new track program, and even within the track program, you will be introduced to many companies that you can work with. To give an example, our graduates work in diverse areas, such as they work as museum education specialists, for instance, in Istanbul Museum of Modern Art, or some of them keep pursuing their careers, like they are accepted to master degrees on mass communication and media research at University of Zurich, or design for interaction at Technical University of Delft, or MA in directing at Columbia University. We have a variety of options that will be introduced to you based on your interest, and we will support you to make these applications and get the best position you want after your graduation. For me, Koç University is a place where you can combine your ambitions and your interests with others' capacities and knowledge. This is something that motivates me a lot when I work here as a faculty member. And this is the same for everyone. I'm looking to meet all of you and discuss the potentials of design in relation to all other disciplines that you can find in our faculty.